Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to sing another song from up here, if that's all right with you. This is an oldie but goodie. Let's sing. Frankly, I'm scared of clouds, and get-togethers get me down. But when you talk, it's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Don't kill me, 'cause I'm just a messenger. I already, when you took my temperature, and I'm not sick, I took all my vitamins. Yeah, I'm not sick, I'm just kind of different. Oh, different, so different. They tell me different, but no one told me I could go too far. Hey, hey, frankly, I'm scared of clowns, and get-togethers get me down. But when you talk, it's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Frankly, I feel insane, but you say you feel the same. Suddenly, it's like, hey, I'm not crazy. 'Cause when you talk, it's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Hey, don't kill me, 'cause I'm just a messenger. I've never seen someone quite this straight before. You just like me to buy your vitamins. You just like me and you take delight in it. Oh, different, so different. They tell us to be different, but no one told me I could go too far. Hey, 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 frankly, I'm scared of clowns. Oh yeah. Together's get me down. When you talk, it's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Frankly, I feel insane, but you say you feel the same. Suddenly, it's like, hey, I'm not crazy. 'Cause when you talk, it's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Oh my God! I got your back to stage! It's like, wow, I'm not crazy. Suddenly I feel the same, but you say you feel the same. And suddenly it's like, hey, I'm not crazy. Wow, I'm not crazy. Hey, I'm not crazy. Wow, I'm not crazy. Hey, I'm not crazy.
All right. While we're waiting for Jack to get back to stage, I'd like to introduce the incredible band we have on stage behind us tonight. Is that all right? First up, we have the queen of the trumpet, Miss Anita Johnson. The drum throne, Mr. Chris Berry. Our incredible openers tonight, Madeline May, Valley, Cave Town, and Quinn 92.